This is why you need zero downtime for your website. Imagine never losing a customer due to technical issues. Intrigued? Let's break it down. Picture this. You're on a treadmill at the gym. When you get tired, your friend hops on to keep the treadmill going. No pause, no downtime. That's exactly how zero downtime hosting works. When a server needs an update or maintenance, a replicated server takes over instantly. Your customers won't even notice a thing. Once the updates are done, traffic seamlessly switches back to the primary server. It's like having a tag team partner for your website, always ready to jump in and keep things running smoothly. So, no more lost sales or frustrated visitors. Just smooth, uninterrupted service. Keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. That's the magic of zero downtime hosting. Easy, right? Visit Codo Digital at cododigital.com for more information.